Hi friends, welcome to the channel Learning R is Fun. Whether you are a beginner to coding or even fairly conversant with any other programming language, you will find the videos in this channel helpful on your way to mastering R skills. In this video, we will see as to why learning R is advantageous to learners and professionals in almost all domains. If you are a college student, R will help you to enter the world of data science or any domain of your choice with enormous confidence. We'll cover core R concepts first. Then we'll learn more skills provided by various packages to solve the present day challenges in the data science world. Before we begin, let us see why your interest in R makes a good sense. Today, the world is producing data in so many forms in a big way, all captured in digital form and amenable for computing and analysis, thus fueling the growth of data science field. Data science world is influencing every walk of our lives. R helps you to work with data efficiently. Data handling is a skill all professionals need, whether they are in the field of governance, education, medicine, management, or industry of any nature, and of course business. Therefore, the learning of R would come in handy for all types of career aspirants and practitioners. If you are not keen to become a coder, still R would chip in. Yes, you can become a user of this wonderful tool first. R has produced a ton of analysis on the MTCOS dataset with a single plot statement in the console. R not only provides a programming language, but offers a wide variety of functionalities and tools to handle and analyze data. In R, you can execute code as you progress, since it is an interpreter language as against compilers, wherein you have to complete the program writing, save the script, then compile it, debug it before you can run it. If you are a research scholar or looking for a tool to analyze your data for reproducible research, this learning will help you immensely in exploring all statistical analysis possibilities in your data and excellent visualization also. Well, if you want to learn principles of data science and make your way further, then R will provide a solid bedrock to begin with. R helps to develop predictive models that make use of machine learning algorithms to find occurrences of future events. R programming language facilitates to integrate with other languages. As a result, it has a large growing community of users. Internet-based companies have to deal with various forms of data, structured and unstructured, as well as from varying data sources like spreadsheets and databases, SQL and NoSQL. R proves to be an effective choice for these companies. Big companies like Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Mozilla, Twitter, etc. are using R for data science and analytics. The applications of R are not limited to just one sector. R provides tools for moving averages, auto-regression, and time series analysis, which forms the crux of financial applications. Many leading banks make use of R for financial reporting. With the help of R, the data scientists are able to analyze financial losses and make use of R's visualization tools. R is one of the standard tools that is being used in e-commerce. Genetics, bioinformatics are some of the fields in healthcare that make heavy usage of R. R is used for statistical modeling in the field of epidemiology, where data scientists analyze and predict the spread of diseases. For more advanced processing like drug discovery, R is most widely used for performing preclinical trials and analyzing the drug safety data. R is also popular for its bioconductor package that provides various functionalities for analyzing the genomic data. R is increasingly being used to exploit big data with Hadoop and TensorFlow integration. R uses packages such as Caret, E1071, RPart, etc. for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Whatever be the motivation behind your interest in learning R, Be rest assured that there are wonderful tutorials both in video and text form, paid as well as free, to assist your pursuit. As we progress, I will introduce the best tutors and tutorials I have gained from for your further exploration. Wish you all the very best. I will introduce basic concepts of R and build on them through many examples so that at no stage you will feel any difficulty in learning the concepts. R is an ocean, so much so because of the 16,000 and odd packages as on date and many under development by millions of developers throughout the world. So let us set the sail and begin our voyage into the R ocean. I wish you all fair winds and following seas. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.